How's it going, guys? Welcome back. So, as promised, last night we had another car show this morning. Today we are at the Berwick Breakfast Car Show. So, without further ado, let's get into the classic cars. So, it started at 7. It's already packed. Beautiful Monaro. John's Riviera. Mustang. Gorgeous old Tirana. Firebird. Vedanas. 70 Pontiac. Ignore the modern cars that are left here overnight or this morning. This is stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. Another Mustang. Trying to sort of get good footage for you guys. John's back at it, doing his work. How you going? How you going, Shane? You vet? Morning. Absolutely stunning cars here. How you going, Ibby? Yeah, not too bad.
Long time no see. You well?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah, going really well.
Good, good. Yeah.
Ibby's brought down the gorgeous Corvettes. Absolutely stunning. So many cars. Oh, I'm in heaven. Old VNSS. Oh, these are worth $1 million at the moment, and they're only going up in price. Got more classics rolling up. We got all the classics along the side of the street, all the way up. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, that Galaxy. That looks absolutely mint. Blacked out. Oh. Even this side of the street's lined with classics. You know it's going to be a good day when there's nothing but classics everywhere you look. And one of my old school favourite cars. Got a gorgeous Plymouth Barracuda. Absolutely stunning. Gran Torino. Beautiful old Berwick. take you over to the side and have a look at some of the cars on the side.
T-shirt and bloody shorts. Yeah, I saw that.
There we go. So we've got a Bronco up the back. LTD. Beautiful old Holden, another Holden. Plymouth Satellite. Here's the closer look at the Galaxy coming up. Absolutely stunning. That is gorgeous. I love it. Well guys, that's all the cars that are here at the moment. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Till next time, enjoy and take care.